What up? In this video, I want to go over the viewport and all the buttons and toggles. Starting with this one right here, we have the FPS readout, and if you click on it, it turns off efficiency mode and allows it to just continuously render. Below that, we have the wireframe mode. You have overlay and just wireframe. Below that, we have the auto frame model button. If you turn that on and then switch models, it will automatically frame it. Below that, we have the frame selected model button, which is just a manual button of that. And then below that, we have the light mode button, and it goes from normal lighting to bright lighting to flat lighting. Below that, we have the capture snapshot button, and I'll be going over that one in a different video. Over here, we have the show axis button. Below that, we have the bounding box. Then we have the show grid and hide grid. Then we have the play and stop button, and this one I'll also be going over in a different video. Then we have the undo and redo buttons. Then over here we have the background color. You have dark, white, black, gray, and custom. Next to that we have the perspective and orthographic views. Next to that we have the snap increments. Next to that we have the snap toggle for the extrude mode. Then we have the mirror mode toggle for the extrude. Then we have the orientation cube. And you can snap to different directions just by clicking on them. You can also snap to the corners and the edges by clicking on these little gray boxes. Below that we have the orbit tool. Allows you to orbit just by dragging the viewport. Otherwise, if you're on any of these, you have to use the orientation cube to drag around, or if you're on another one of these tools, if you don't want to use that, then you can just hold Alt and then you can orbit. And then here we have the select tool. I've already gone over this before, but I'll just briefly say or talk about it one more time. You can select individual parts or hold Shift and select multiple parts. Same thing with the select all tool, but that one selects all parts of the same color. And again, you can hold Shift and select multiple parts. Then we have the extrude tool, and again, I've already gone over this in a different video. That allows you to extrude the parts. And yeah, that's about it for all the viewport stuff. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.